This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Cassandra Spann. Super cute brick duplex on a cul-de-sac lot. Each side has 1,064 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and 2-car garage. 11,909 Clovite. Recent upgrades include carpet in 2021 and air conditioner in 2016. 11,911 air conditioner unit was replaced in 2019. Water heater in 2014. This is one of 6 duplexes for sale and all are fully occupied. Covered porch area. 11,911 has a long-term tenant. For more information, review the details below or contact Cassandra Spann at 817-994-9725.